I truly 100% believe that this video will change your life. This video will change your YouTube channel. If you follow the steps in this video for a few weeks or maybe a couple of months, and if it doesn't work for you, let me know. Say, hey Mahad, this didn't work. You are lying. This video is about the story of Hamza's YouTube channel and how he blew up. I will tell you his story. This video is full of the best YouTube tips that you can apply to your channel. This video is about manifestation and law of attraction. You can create a reality that you want by manipulating your subconscious mind. It doesn't know the difference between if it's real or not, so believe it. Pretend that your channel is already successful. That is what Hamza did. You can manifest anything you want into your life using the law of attraction that is mentioned in the book The Secret. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is all universe energy mumbo jumbo, but it's actually your subconscious mind that is working behind the scenes to guide you, and I'll explain in this video the exact steps that you can do to follow this. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Born in 1997, Hamza grew up in the UK in a place near Manchester called Warrington. Being an overachiever as a boy, his interests included being a Boy Scout, fitness, and an online game that he played with his brother called RuneScape that he was actually really good at. But there was a dark side to his life. He had a rough childhood, always being beaten by his father and brother, but he didn't let that demoralize him. After he finished his degree in psychology, he sought self-improvement and therapy to work on his mental health issues. He worked overnight shifts in a homeless shelter, but also worked in a customer service job afterwards. He found that customer service job to be quite depressing and wanted a change in his life from earning only £64 a day from the call center. He wanted to earn money, a lot of it, and he wanted to create an online business that generates a good amount of income for him. The answer was YouTube. But what kind of channel would he make? He made a self-improvement channel that focused on dating, bodybuilding, productivity. He was being raw on his channel and authentic in order to build an audience of loyal young men who are also productive like him, kind of like a tribe around him. There was a serious problem though. How would he grow his channel? In March of 2020, he moved in with his parents after a breakup with his girlfriend. He learnt a productivity hack called Monk Mode, where you lock in super hard focus mode for many months long term in order to work hard. You wake up, you work out, you record, you edit, you read books, you meditate for 1 hour, no alcohol, good diet, no partying, etc. This worked for him. He did this for many months. I will explain the results later in this video and how mind-blowing they were, and I'll let you know how much he earned as well.
It's that simple. That it's literally just have this one product that you sell, this one community, and just make it sick. Keep learning, keep following your interests, keep implementing, getting better in real life, keep teaching what you're learning, and then just send people to the community again and again and again.
Okay, he actually learnt about YouTube and he got really good at it. He even got better at presenting himself on camera, so he learnt so many things. That is one of the other steps that he did. That is the working hard part. Okay, if this video is helping you out so far, let me know down in the comment section below if you already knew about Hamza and his great success. If you are finding any value in this video, then hit that subscribe button. Hello everyone, Mahad from Tubasal here. Let's make it to the top together, grind don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I make videos on how to grow on YouTube, to increase your views, subscribers, wealth and more, to generate an online business, to live a life of financial independence and happiness. If you could take a second and hit that subscribe button, that would be great. Oh, have you done it? Have you subscribed? Okay, thank you. Let's carry on with the video. What he did that was special was the following. He did the law of attraction before he even began. In 2019 December, he wrote down his desired income and followed the steps. Step number 1. Imagine you got what you want. Feel as if it is real. That is the secret. You have to imagine that you are already getting what you want, and you feel it, and you are that person. Step number 2, feel grateful for what you have received. Be thankful that you have got this. And step 3, you work hard towards that and be inspired and work hard, very hard, not just slightly hard, very hard towards your goals. Don't just leave it for the universe or God to decide. You work hard. And step number 4 is you receive what you wanted. You receive your desire, whether that is a YouTube channel, whether that is a lot of money, whether that is an online business. It can be anything. Something you should know about manifesting is that it's not magical space energy. Keep these 2 things in mind regarding manifestation and law of attraction. Your subconscious mind, the mind behind your active mind, will guide you to the right direction, and you have to actually work to achieve your dreams. This is what he did to create a channel that gets a lot of views because of its authentic personal content with good thumbnails and good titles. His channel also sold a fitness course that generated him money, and then after that he focused on creating Adonis School, which was even more profitable, making him over $100,000 per month. So he created his YouTube channel as a source of traffic that he then redirected to his website, where people can buy his course and his membership program for $200 a month. And he had over 1,000 people signing up for that. Use the same steps and it will work for your channel. From this day onwards, no more negative energy. Listen to me right now when I'm telling you this. Look in my eyes. No more negative energy. No more messing about. You're going to take this seriously. No social media apps on your phone. No more looking at explicit content online, which overstimulates you and makes you lose motivation. No more binging TV shows and movies and wasting time with people that are just pulling you down. Don't waste time with any of that. Get rid of all of that and focus super hard. Don't cut out everything. I mean, like, don't go overboard, but you need to have some kind of control. Do as much as you need until you start getting results. If you want to do more, do even more monk mode, and then go even harder until you get results. Don't stop. And then after that, let me know. Comment down below on any of my upcoming videos that I'm going to make regarding this, and tell me if it worked for you. Okay, I hope you can apply the law of attraction just like Hamza did, and you can work hard and achieve success on your YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to actually make money from YouTube after you get your views, then click this video right here that I have made for you.